Evaluate 14 minus 4 times 6 plus 10. I'm going to rewrite that below, just a little bigger, so we can evaluate it. So we need to follow order of operations here. We know that order of operations starts with parentheses or grouping symbols, and we don't have any of those. And then afterwards, exponents, and again, we don't have any of those. We only have subtraction, multiplication, and addition. And we know that multiplications and divisions come before additions and subtractions. So the first thing we need to do here is we need to do this multiplication. 4 times 6 is 24, so this becomes 14 minus 24 plus 10. Now we're left with a subtraction and an addition, and order of operations tells us to do all additions and subtractions from left to right. What that means is we're going to do the subtraction first and the addition second, because going from left to right, the subtraction happens first. 14 minus 24, well, that's the same as 14 plus negative 24. These have different signs, so we'll take the difference. 24 minus 14 is 10. And we know that the larger number was negative, so that's going to give us negative 10. And now we can take that negative 10 and add it to 10, and that gives us 0 as a final answer. If we had done things in a different order, for example, if we had done the addition before we did the subtraction, or if we had done either of those before we did the multiplication, we would have ended up with a different answer. So to make sure that everyone's doing their math correctly and communicating in the same way, we must make sure we're following order of operations. So often, students make mistakes and lose points because they're rushing and not paying attention. So please, especially for the problems in the beginning, while you're getting used to it, make sure you're being extra careful.